So if I were to go around and open up any email right here, then you can see that it opens up over here on the right hand side, just like this. But let's say what I want to do is I want to open this up in a new window. So if you want to do that, then you can go around over here onto a particular email and then click on the three dot button. And then you can go around onto view and then choose open in a new window. So once you do that, you can see that this particular email opens up in the new window. Another thing that you can do is you can simply go around and double click on the email right here and it opens up in the new window, as you can see, a separate window so that you can focus on it, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can open up separate email window inside of Microsoft Outlook so that you can focus on it just like this. So once you do that, you can see that there's different options over here for this window right here, and you can go around and access all of the email settings from over here just like this as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.